DJ Carey entered the first All-Ireland final of the new millennium under pressure. Kilkenny's star forward had come in for criticism as the Cats had lost the previous two deciders. After 6 minutes of the 2000 final against Offaly, the doubters were silenced as Carey pounced to race clear and score a stunning goal. Kilkenny went on to comfortably win by 5-15 to Offaly's 1-14. Carey won the Man of the Match award. A traditional part of All-Ireland Final Day is the presentation of the winners from 25 years ago to the crowd in Croke Park. This year, that Jubilee team will be the All-Ireland winning Cats from 2000. DJ Carey is now back in the spotlight for altogether different reasons. The former hurling hero has pleaded guilty to 10 counts of defrauding a number of people out of money while pretending that he had cancer. Carey, 54, stood in a courtroom dock this month and replied guilty when 10 deception charges were read out to him at Dublin Circuit Criminal Court. The GAA will now have to decide how to handle the calling out of full forward DJ Carey on the Kilkenny Jubilee team next Sunday. It is highly unlikely he will be in attendance himself.